Welcome to my vlog. Hey, I'm Shaun McMichael with RSM. What we're going to cover today is we're going to take a look at the Magic 8 Ball. And using the Magic 8 Ball, we'll need a user interface for it. So we're going to finish up the two other blogs that we've been working on. Basically, we've gone through the data management components, plus the X++ controls, and now we're going to have the process of actually building the user interface so you can use the Magic 8 Ball. Sit back, relax, and enjoy. Hello and welcome to the demonstration on using the Magic 8 Ball, in this case, the user interface design. So to build our user interface design, let me first show you what it looks like. This is what's called the crazy lucky results. This contains all the answers that we had from our process. This is much like what Dynamics 365 for Operations uses. So in this case, we'll go out there and I'll click on the Magic 8 Ball. We'll ask it a question. Will everyone retweet this link? All right, go ahead and click on OK. And it'll go through Outlook, not so good. So maybe not everybody's going to be going through and retweeting this particular link. So if we want to see the results that happen in here, let me go ahead and refresh it. You can see all of the results, or in other words, all of the times that people have asked questions of our Magic 8 Ball. So how do we get to our results piece and our user interface so we can use this Magic 8 Ball? Let me go back through and show you some of the simple components that are part of this. For example, we have something called a table, and this table holds the crazy lucky results. Now, crazy lucky results just has a question and a result that occur from it. Basically, it's grabbing the output that happens from our Magic 8 Ball process and runs it out here. Now, of course, in order to do this, I'm going to need a query. Notice that there is a crazy lucky results query that goes out there, pulls the results from that particular table. I will also need to have a form which is associated with it or has or displays all of our items. So what I've done is I've built a simple list page called Crazy Lucky Results, and that's the output that you see right here. Crazy Lucky Results is that list page. It looks real nice. It has the nice operations for us. That's exactly what we wanted it to do. Now, of course, we will need some menus or menu items in order to be able to describe this or to empower this operation to work. So you'll notice right here, I have the Crazy Lucky Results menu item. That one is the menu item that calls to what we want it to do. So let me open up our form, show you a little bit more about what our form looks like. And you'll notice that in our form, we have a grid. And in our form grid, we have the question results, which we picked up from our data source, which is our Crazy Lucky Results query, which builds us our Crazy Lucky item right here, which shows us our fields. And then over here, I also wanted to show you within our form, we also have an action pane. And in our action pane, we have what's called a form button group control. And in there, guess what? We have our Magic 8 Ball menu item that occurs in order to be able to run our Magic 8 Ball. Now, our Magic 8 Ball operation for that one is called an action menu item, different than our display menu item because this one actually runs the Magic 8 Ball from that display use Magic 8 Ball operation. Now, the other one that we have out here, you notice this Crazy Lucky Results, well, that has to come from somewhere. So let me go back over so you guys can see this a little bit easier, is that this comes from Fleet Management, comes from Rentals. Then you'll find this Crazy Lucky Results Decision Maker. How do I know that that's the exact one that we wanted? Well, we can go ahead and take a look at our menu item that we have out there, our display menu item. Let me go ahead and click on Properties. And then you can see that this points to the Crazy Lucky Results. And then look at my label. My label is that Crazy Lucky Results Decision Maker. So whatever happens in our label is what gets outputted to the operation. Then lastly, for our user interface, I wanted to make sure I showed you our menu extension. So we need to take that fleet management menu process, which already has workspaces, rentals, customers, and vehicles, and notice they're italicized because those are the original operations, and we're simply extending this operation. Then if I could go look at my rentals, you'll find my Crazy Lucky Results that occurs right here. So that's how we built the user interface. To build the user interface, first I have to have a table that's behind the scenes, a query that's built on top of it, a form that's built on top of it with a data source that produces the information that we need. We then need to attach our menu items to our form, and then attach our menu items to our menu extensions. And guess what? We're done with our user interface. So then you can enjoy the Magic 8 Ball and make sure that you've seen all three of these blogs, one on data management, the next on X++ controls, and I thank you. Thank you for watching my vlog. If you need more information, go to academy.rsmus.com, or you can go to dynamicserppros.com to find blogs that are associated usually with the blogs that we publish. Plus, you can always email us at academy@rsmus.com.